Let's go shopping for new makeup. Goodbye, Philippines, and hello, SM North EDSA! Charot. Pero I'm here right now at SM North because I heard that Lucky Beauty just opened their first retail store. So I wanted to check it out and go shopping. Ang ganda! OMG, nabubudol na ako. It's like you're my mirror. Dito na tayo. Ang ganda niya. Wow, naging sales ni Ate Soy, no? Duty na talaga ako today. Charot. I'm actually here right now to shop for Bossing Sister because hindi pa pala niya to try yung Lucky Beauty charms. First, I want to get her the lip stains because, oh my god, you guys know, OG ko to. Lalo na yung shade na Razzle. I've loved this since 2023. This is the stain of Razzle. Sobrang favorite ko talaga to. It's like a mauvey berry shade. Ang ganda. Ma'am, huwag ka ma-pressure sa akin. Charot. Okay. I got her one Razzle. Hindi ko kasi bagay yun sa kanya. Update, may basket na po tayo. Pero gusto ko lang i-share. They also have their Lucky Potions here, aka their perfume, if you didn't know. And they also have their hair potion. So, diba, hindi na natin kailangan manghula ng amoy. Ma'am, pwede siya i-spray? Yes, ma'am. Guys, pwede nyo siya i-try, diba? For Bossing Sister, I'm gonna get her Diary of a Lady kasi this is also my favorite scent. And feeling ko same ka. Hala, ma'am, can I get one Diary of a Lady po? Thank you. And then, akin na lang po to. Oh, nakikigamit. Di kasi ako nag-wash ng hair today. Pero ito yung favorite ko from their hair potions. This is Diary of a Lady. Very floral lang kasi yung scent niya. Ganyan-ganyan lang siya, guys. So, daan lang kayo pag di kayo naligo. They also have the cream blushes and liquid blushes here. And finally, masaswatch natin silang lahat. So, let's get her one. What do you think your sister will like? I think she's gonna like the shade Muse because I gave her a powder blush similar to this color. So, diba? May powder na siya, may cream pa. Favorite ko tong shade na to. This is the shade Crush. Okay, guys, this is the shade Muse. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Perfect for everyday. This is the shade Crush. Also, so nice. Guys, they also have the Aura blushes. Ang ganda nito. I feel like it's calling my name. For context pala, the charms that I'm getting for Bossing Sister is very similar to what I like. Kasi parehas kaming kikay nun. Let's try the shade Adore. Feeling ko ito yung bet ko. Feeling ko ito, no? Okay, I will get this. Ma'am? Thank you. O, diba? Kabugate talagang nabudol ako. So you can swatch your lip sweeteners, their other liquid pigments. You can also swatch your Angel Veil skin tints. Pati na rin other charms like what I did. So, diba? Super helpful talaga to see these in person. I like the shade, no? Okay, I think I got everything that I need. Let me know if you guys want a haul. And also, mga ate corn, don't forget to drop by Lucky Beauty here at SM North EDSA. This is inside their department store and sabay-sabay tayong mabudol. Ayun lang naman. Bye! Love, love!
Similar ba yung set ng dalawa?
Po? Medyo po, opo. Ganon. Share ko lang.
Thank you.